What is up, everyone? It's Curry Gaming back again with another Spin Master Monster Jam unboxing. Today I went to my local Target and I found two more of the Spin Master Monster Jam Reveal the Steel packs from Wave 2. Obviously I've completed Wave 1 and now I'm on Wave 2. So yeah, the packs I found today are Gravedigger with the new chassis and the new rims versus a first edition for the Reveal the Steel, which is the 1984 Gravedigger. So if you want this color shifter, it's exclusive to this pack. And on the back of the packaging, it shows the Megalodon and Octonator. They did not have those, so hopefully I can find them soon. So I got that, and then the other one I found, obviously it's not Radical Rescue and Blue Thunder because I showed that and reviewed that already, and I unboxed them a long time ago. The other one is Captain's Curse versus Crustacean. So yeah, and obviously as normal, I am going to, after I finish reviewing and unboxing them, I will, do the color changing gimmick because I know you guys like that. Alright, so we are going to start with the Gravedigger versus 1984 Gravedigger pack. Alright, so here they are. Here is Gravedigger. I kind of think it looks a little bit cooler with these purple rims. Something different. And then that translucent roll cage is really awesome. And then yeah, obviously, same paint job and everything, but kind of different color variation for the bottom half of the truck, but still cool. I mean, at least it's something different this year. And then here we have the vintage Gravedigger 1984. Very interesting that they chose this for Reveal the Steel, and instead of the Leafer chassis, it has the modern day Monster Jam roll cage along with BKT tires instead of the Goodyear Firestone tires. Yeah, and that light blue roll cage is really awesome. So that's cool. Yeah, and they took off the bumper because this is a different chassis, but man, I personally think the Reveal the Steel version of the 1984 Gravedigger is really cool. Alright, so there's that, and then we are going to now unbox Captain's Curse and Crustacean. Here is Captain's Curse. This is kind of a different shade of black because, it's a color shifter. It's kind of more of a gunmetal grayish black, and then it's got like a charcoal roll cage, and then these charcoal rims and these maroon tire treads. Looks pretty cool. I really like it. It's gonna look better when we do the Reveal the Steel gimmick. So yeah. And then last but not least, we have the maroon Crustacean for the Reveal the Steel. Oh man, this looks so cool. Obviously it still has the Monster Lobster concept roof, still pretty cool. Same roll cage as Captain's Curse. And the red tires are a little bit brighter, so that's pretty cool. So yeah. So that was the unboxing of the Reveal the Steel trucks. I will be back in just a second, and I will demonstrate the color shifting gimmick for these four trucks. Alright guys, see you guys in just a second. Alright, here we are at the faucet area. We are going to reveal the steel of the four trucks I just reviewed. So here we go. Let's turn on the water. Make sure it's the right hot temperature. Alright, here we go. Gravedigger. Alright, look at that gray color. Isn't that cool? Alright, so there was that one, and now let's do 1984 Gravedigger. Oh my gosh, look at that. Captain's Curse. Man, that's sick. And last but not least, we have Crustacean. Oh yeah, a chrome crustacean. That's awesome. All right, let's change them back to their normal color. The water has to be really cold for them to change back. Alright, Gravedigger back to his normal scheme. Alright, there's the 1984 Gravedigger. Back to his normal scheme. Captain's Curse. Back to his normal scheme. And then Crustacean. Back to red, or maroon. Yeah, so there was the demonstration of the color shifting gimmick. Yeah, so if you're a fan of the Reveal of Steel, I definitely recommend picking these trucks up. So yeah, like I said, hopefully I can find the Megalodon versus Octonator pack soon. And then I'll do a separate video on them, and then yeah, I should have the complete set of Reveal the Steel until the next batch comes out. All right, guys, please like, subscribe, and comment, and I will see you guys next time. Peace out.